Kia koutou, aku tauira. In this video lesson, we're going to be talking about solving equations involving multiplication. So with the easier ones, it's pretty simple to guess, but pretty soon they're going to get harder. Therefore, we're going to look for some rules or ways to solve these equations. Let's start at this first one. 3x is equal to 18. Now, when things are equal, they're the same. So we can think of that being like a set of scales that are balanced. And what we're going to use on our classroom page, we've got polypad, mathagon.org, and that brings us up to this. And I've set up the first equation here where 3x is equal to 18. And the fact that the scales are balanced right now tells me they are equal. So what we want to try to do, if we've got 3x's equal to 18, we're going to take these 18 and we're going to start organizing them into groups of 3. So I'm going to be making groups of 3 here and organizing them. So I've got threes, okay? So you're going to see what starts happening now is I'm getting all of these 18 pieces organized in such a way that I'll be able to see what one of the x's is equal to. And all I'm doing is I'm organizing these individual pieces one at a time, organizing them into groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. So it was original question was 3x is 18, and I have tahiroa toro wharima ono, tahiroa toro wharima ono, tahiroa. Okay, good. So I've got this organized now in 3x is 18, and what I can now see is tahi rua toru, tahi rua toru. So each one of these x's is going to be equal to 3. That's how we can use these balance scales to solve equations. Now, another way to think about it is this. We know that 3x means 3 times x. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be undoing or unwinding the part around the x to get it by itself. So since 3x means 3 times x, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. And if we divide both sides by 3, 3x divided by 3 leaves 1x, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So there's an introduction to using polypad to solve equations or using our algebra to solve. All right, so there's the introduction. We'll be back in our next video with a couple more video lessons on solving equations. Thanks for watching. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.